Good evening, friends. Nalinakshay Swami here. Some of the viewers of my channel little bit confused about the inducement and all those things. So I thought of making the video on advanced market structure. Actually, when I trade, I usually trade for ranges actually. How the range is formed in an advanced market structure is, let me explain to you. Let me go. See, this is the way the market comes down and takes the liquidity and breaks this structure. Then the strong high is formed. Strong high is formed, and while coming down, it breaks down the structure. Here, this structure breaks down like this, and liquidity has been grabbed, and then it moves higher. Then these are the ranges for me. These are the strong high and strong low are the range for me. Usually I trade between these two ranges. So I wait for the range to be formed and then I take the trade. So the thing what is happening in between is the internal liquidity. Internal liquidity, and also I'll talk about the inducement. So here in our chart, this is the strong low. Here it is one more strong low is there. Strong low is there. Okay. So this is the strong low and this is the strong high, because here Nifty made a high of 17,827 and it rallied up to more than 17,842. It grabbed the liquidity over there and broke the structure. This is BOS is nothing but break of the structure. After the break of the structure, on Monday, there was a huge fall to around 280 to 290 points, and it fell short of little bit. This is the liquidity graph here. And this is the strong low, because this candle has grabbed the liquidity and it has broke the structure and retest of this level. So I was waiting for this level. So it fell short of it. And today what it is, it made for me, a range is formed for me. A strong low has been formed today, breaking this structure, 17,574. It grabbed the liquidity around 17,553 and it moved above this range. That is 17,609. Okay. So now it has grabbed the liquidity. It is strong low for me, and my point of interest comes around. Let me zoom it out. My point of interest is this area. This is order block. This last red candle has been blocked by this green candle. So suppose if the price retests this level 578, then it becomes a strong buy. And these are all the internal liquidity created by this. Actually, you can see the market fell down and it went up. This is an inducement. Price, they fell here, they induced sellers. So there is liquidity over here. That is stop loss. And then price came down, and here you can see it grabbed the liquidity here in this region. Grab the liquidity, and also this is also one internal liquidity. Grab the BOS, you can see, break of the structure, grab the liquidity, and it moved down. And again, the inducement has taken, liquidity inducement has taken place. So these are all internal liquidity. Internal liquidity. So, and here, now it has grabbed the broken below this level and closed above. And this is my point of interest. If the price comes to 17,579 or 17,596, then it will start. So for me, the range is formed. The A is formed and B is formed. Strong low is formed and strong high is formed. So now the price action will be in this. Price will try to move towards it becomes easy for the price to move towards this first level of 17,758, and then gradually it can go there. And there it may get induced again. This is a play actually. Again, it may come back and it may go past this level. So this is how the market player does the thing. So I usually see for this strong high and strong lows. Strong high means grabbing the liquidity like this, making a high and grabbing this liquidity and the break of the structure. This is BOS. Break of the structure. So my point A is created and here point B is created. That means my range has been created. So I am comfortable to trade in the range. So this is the strong low and there is an order block around 576 to 596. So if the price retests this level and the market will move within this range. So you are this is the advanced price action. Inducement, liquidity inducement is nothing but bringing the price to that, and sellers have been induced over here. By when they induce the sellers, actually stop losses will be created. So stop loss will be created. You can see over here also, if I zoom it out, they took the liquidity, grabbed that liquidity, and sellers have been induced, and there is liquidity above this. So suppose the Nifty starts moving above 17,667, then it will be a very easy move. The range will be. So it has been defined. Actually, today, the range has been defined, and Monday, I don't think there will be a gap down because it has grabbed the liquidity and strong low is formed. At present, the play will be between this range, again in this range. Next week, it may be in this range, probably. Nifty monthly close will be at the top, near the top. This is how advanced market structure is played. And I always look for the strong highs and strong low, then my range is formed. So when the range is formed, so you are comfortable to trade. Comfortable that range to trade. So there is the internal liquidity is there, and they have grabbed the liquidity down and they above, then it will be a very smooth move. So on Monday onwards, you can see Monday Nifty trading to the higher side. Okay, friends, thank you very much. Hope you can understand this advanced market structure. This is smart money concept. So how strong high is formed and strong low is formed. Strong high will be formed by breaking the structure and grabbing the liquidity. This is how it is formed. I hope you will understand this concept. I have made an effort to for you people to understand the concept. This is how the market works, because the liquidity grab is a must for the big institutional players. They also face difficulty because they will have crores of shares to be exchanged. So exchange of crores of shares around a certain low level, they want at the low level. So this is how they can grab the shares passively by creating the liquidity pool, and also creating internal liquidity and as well as inducement. So for creating the internal liquidity, they will induce. So sellers will be induced, or either sellers or buyers will be induced into the range. Okay, friends, I think you can understand. This is what has happened today. So I was thinking it will many people might have gone short when it broke this 17,574. If you would have patience to wait and what happens the next candle, then you would not have lost money. This is how they have grabbed the liquidity and the strong low has been formed. A range has been formed. So strong high was there. I was waiting for this strong low. So by grabbing this liquidity, they have made a strong low and range has been formed. I'm comfortable. My order block has been defined, and that is nothing but POI, point of interest. Okay, friends, thank you very much. Nalinakshi Swami signing.